I just believe that evolution is just that, a theory. More or less, it is a theory, nothing more, nothing less than that. So I think that people should actually treat it as such and not a scientific fact, because clearly there isn't enough evidence to prove it to be the actual truth of the matter. You see, people, especially those who are less susceptible to, questioning reality, and those who tend to be non-religious, they see evolution. It's taught to them in the education system, in the media, and they see it as something that actually happened, and there's 100% conviction behind it, when in all actuality we don't know. There's not enough scientific evidence out there, and a lot of it has been made up and hypothesized over the years. Now, I'm going to give an example why I don't believe in evolution. It's because they say that humans evolved from chimpanzees, right? Well, if that is the case, then how come there isn't millions of, missing links about? Surely they couldn't have all went extinct. And also, I need to see proof. I need to see fossils that show half human, half chimpanzee hybrids, but there isn't any. Another reason why I don't believe in evolution is that there's so many impasses to the theory. For example, cells. You've got different components of the cells. You've got the mitochondria, you've got the cytoplasm, you've got the nucleus, you've got the membrane, etc. If it was the case that evolution made the cell, then how come all of these things didn't just come together, but the cell is just pre-packaged that way? Surely it would have all come together if that was the case, but it didn't. Now, I'm just going to say this way. I believe the reason why they push this narrative so much is because basically it is a part of their agenda of they don't want you to think that God is real. They want you to believe that we're floating in an insignificant planet in the middle of the cosmos, and that we all came here by chance, because for them it's a way of divide and conquer. It's easier to control people that way, in my opinion. Now, obviously, we don't know what happened, but as a Muslim, I believe that what it says in the Quran, what it says in the Hadith is the truth, that the heaven and the earth were one a long time ago. They were separated, and that God made every living thing out of water. You see, our cells are 99% water because of the cytoplasm, right? That means, like, the average human is around 60% water. So that is the reason why human beings will die if they don't replenish their thirst in a couple of days, whereas they can survive weeks without food. Now, that's what I believe anyway, that humans weren't evolved from chimpanzees. We are the sons of Adam ultimately, and I believe in evolution. Let's not get too dogmatic here. I do believe in evolution, but I only believe in microevolution, not macroevolution. So in this world we got different races, you could say, of people due to their environment and due to being separated, geographical isolation, mixed with the environmental factors and the fact that it happened over a very long period of time. We do have variation within the human species. That's an example of microevolution. That's something that I believe in, that for a fact. But to say that a human came from a chimpanzee, macroevolution, there's not enough to me anyway, there's not enough scientific evidence backing that. Additionally, in a chimpanzee, there's orphan cells in the chimpanzee that you don't find in any other species. Every single species has these orphan cells, and that just proves to you that evolution is false, because obviously we would all be genetically linked. Every single animal, every single organism, a human would be related to a tree, yeah, but we're not. There is no link. It just ends. And that's all I want to say in this video. Drop a like.